Hey everybody, and welcome to another video from Electronic Armory. This video you're probably are not expecting what you're seeing right now, but this is the current state of my house, and you can see probably why I have not posted in a while, because this is essentially my internet right here, kind of terminating into end wires here. But we have all the house hooked up for Ethernet. We got modern cable run up here. I did this all myself, and for the most part we're building the house ourselves. We got this house kind of in the state that you see it. I put in some new plumbing. You see the pipes there. Those are vent pipes for a sink. We got a toilet right there, and eventually there's going to be a shower. But yeah, this is the current state of my dwellings. This is supposed to be the master bedroom here, but you can see we have a nice big backyard. Now we're within city limits here. We're right downtown, about maybe a 2 or 3 minute drive, and this is really one of the ways to buy a beautiful house in downtown here, because the marketing values are so high. House prices are just through the roof currently. And if you don't have a whole ton of money, what you have to do is you have to find something that's a little bit of a fixer-upper. As you can see, this is quite the project. But we got this house for fairly cheap, and we are working on it ourselves. And so for the most part, for the electronics, of course, I did have somebody hook that up for me, even though this is Electronic Armory. This is kind of stuff we were dealing with in the past. I did clean up this box a little bit. This is our original electric box, and you know, so for that part I was able to do. But when you're talking about permits and safety and everything, just make sure you get somebody that's highly professional and knows what they're doing. Even though I could have done it myself, they brought in a crew of 4 or 5 guys and just instantly, within 2 days, I believe, hooked up the entire house. So that went very quickly. Plumbing's not entirely done yet, but working on that, and should be done by today. We got some vent pipes and some drainage pipes and some supply lines here. This utility closet will be what we put everything in terms of the furnace, the hot water heater, and that sort of thing. We got pocket doors. We got a walk-in shower. Doesn't look like it, but yeah, this is what I've been doing for the last 2 months. And I am not currently teaching classes. I have a few mobile projects that are going on right now, actually doing a game and that sort of thing. So we'll be doing this for a little bit, and then we'll get back to the tutorials. So thanks guys, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.